ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, I don't prescriptive, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga kill him, fuck it, make it take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walking my side, now he got the llama. I take that Maybach where the gays at, tell my brothers ball 100 summers.
Is there dead animal?
Yeah.
Smells like shit up here though, I ain't gonna lie.
Smells like shit up here.
Cop the fleet, gotta be an anti-social gangster, cause the feds watching my tweets.
You mad nigga, your adrenaline rushing, it feel like a bus, but I'm whipping a rave. Got my head to the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, I don't prescriptive, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga kill him, fuck it, they can take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walking my side, now he got the llama. I take that Maybach where the gays at, tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers.
Thanks, I'm like, look at me now, I'm in front of them. And I just hope you never set me up my lifestyle to a regular.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I forgot to record an intro for this video that you guys are about to watch. If you guys like this video because it's a banger, it's lit, you guys are gonna like it. Comment if you guys liked it or not, and then tell me if you guys want to see more of this kind of videos, more vlogs and stuff like that. But other than that, just share this video with everybody you know and enjoy.
Oh, penis. That's cool. I've been recording this car in forever. This is the last video. Kill bastard.
Yeah, you guys brought
Swimming shorts?
okay. Venom healer, right?
Venom healer?
No.
Well, I brought spray to keep us from getting poison ivy and like yeah.
Oh, that's gonna come in clutch, nigga.
Yeah, I got you guys, my dude. I only got one though. It's a pink bottle.
Did you bring sunscreen?
No.
Oh shit.
You have sunscreen?
No, I didn't bring sunscreen.
No, but you have some in your house?
At my house? I don't think so.
Well, did the general sell something?
I never use sunscreen.
Yeah, me neither. Yeah,
Fuck
me
that
neither.
shit.
I
Feel
don't.
bastard.
Yeah.
That is a short ass car.
This is fucking gay ass car.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Just because Alejandro wants to eat.
You too?
Me too.
They have the Coke and water.
I'll get wild cherry
The
then.
wild cherry there.
Cheers.
Yeah, please.
Damn, pause off.
But you gonna fall.
Hurry, little bitch. I need a mess for this heat. I need to get from my beach.
I landed on the track. You mad nigga, your adrenaline rushing, it feel like a bus, but I'm whipping a rave. Got my head to the ceiling, want me in my feelings, only got me feeling away. I ain't saying I'm addicted, I don't prescriptive, fuck it, cause I don't feel the pain. Let a nigga touch my chain, fuck it, nigga kill him, fuck it, make it take me away.
I got my dogs in this bitch, I know they gon' shoot shit up. And my little brother turned to a drummer, walking my side, now he got the llama. I take that Maybach where the gays at, tell my brothers ball 100 summers. All my niggas know, run up them numbers. Fuck, run up them numbers.
Yeah. Run up them numbers, okay, see you don't want no thunder. The old Tracy McGrady the one, okay, see you don't want no thunder, yeah. Christian the sweater, okay, Christian Dior the sweater. The double R came with the umbrella. When I put the hoodie on, it get realer.
Put 100,000 in my Prodigy, got some little homies, got some Prodigy. And I spent 500 on Prodigy. Made out the project popping overseas. Shawty gave me sloppy toppy on the seat. I made some cars, you can't cop.
Have you seen a girl like...
Fuck, there's a white girl with the fucking dress? I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, well, she's coming down like it's all bloody. She's like, help me, and you hear like a chainsaw in the back.
I'm like,
That's my nightmare, full of chainsaw.
Fucking text.
I hear a chainsaw. What happened?
There has to be something around here.
yeah.
Just hella fast.
They fast.
We got
They bite you. They're gone.
Richie over here.
They're like, huh, bitch.
Fuck, I thought it'd be hotter.
We out here in Dubai, you feel me? We're filming for our new video.
With the Indians.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
If we're lost, this might get uploaded, but before we leave, so if we're lost,
Yo. Ah. Where? Where's it at? Where? Look at the bounty hunt.
where?
Your line is no snake.
Hey, what?
Right in this area. He's like right in this area. Careful though. That's a snake.
How do you know?
Cause I pissed on him. I seen him move.
You pissed on his ass.
Is it a snake?
He wants to go now on a stick.
He's like literally in this area right here.
Try this up.
He's kind of small. He's like at least a decent size. Like he's like.
Oh, you seen him slither?
Yeah, like I seen him slither.
So you pissed on him or what?
Yeah, like I was pissing and then I seen something move and then I was like, I got.
Oh shit!
Alright guys, so Peanut said he saw a snake, but he peed on it and I guess it ran away. He had STDs or some shit. I don't know. But now me and Angel are climbing the rocks. Oh, that almost ate it. We're climbing the rocks just to like get some like good views. Yeah, they're that shit. Cheers. We made that shit.
Hey, the water has to be up there.
Shit. Yeah, I'm good.
Let me see it.
Here.
Good? Yeah.
Hey, Peanut, watch out, you better not fall. Nah, just go down there. From the bottom.
Alright guys. We're on our third destination. And we're trying to find a cliff, or is it called? Or a ring? A waterfall, there you go. Alright, let's not die food because I'm trying to go back home. My mom making pozole today, so I'm trying to eat some of that shit.
Hope you make it back.
I know. Oh fuck, my ankle. Should have brought Vans. I have more grip. Alright guys, we made it to our fifth destination, I think. It's number 5. And we found like this big rock and we're just gonna take pictures and put it on Instagram. Where? Let's go. Oh fuck, I don't know how the fuck I did that shit.
We're gonna go down there.
Right here. The churro. Fuck, my shoes better not pop. They're fucking Air Maxes. Hey, that's pretty dope. Oh fuck, I fucking sink right now. He's over here. Let's go. The waterfall.
Do it for the vine. Say do it for the vine.
Do it for my dick. Oh, you got it. Your next one. 2 bottles. Oh, shit. Alright. This is the sixth stop, right? Well, we took 6 stops all day.
It's gonna be the best YouTube video out there.
Right now.
Just
You know,
worldwide. Just put coffee camp and you'll get worldwide.
coffee camp be like found a secret cave and coffee camp.
You'll catch it? The bear?
It's pretty fast, but you gotta stay still, don't you? Or
No, you
bears?
You can
Yeah.
act bigger than a bear. You be like,
Oh yeah, go.
Try to act bigger, but
Oh look, and there you go. See that shit? Look at that.
if people actually do this shit, man, if niggas can do this shit, we can do this shit.
okay, well,
Let's
we're
go,
not gonna go
guys.
that far.
Let's
go.
back, so obviously they make it back.
So we're entering the cave right now. Oh fuck, I almost fell back.
It's cold as shit.
It's just fucking cold in here.
Wait, we gotta go
Just a different vibe.
go in and go out.
Hey, let's take a thumbnail.
Yeah.
We gotta watch out for like.
We just covered a fucking cave.
Dude, this shit does look scary.
Full.
Keep going. It ends, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Fool, why is it so quiet?
Hey! Can you hear
No, not even an echo.
Hey!
Hey, there's a good lighting right there. What the fuck? Just see that shit.
Hey, put a flash on the ground. Who has flash?
This flash's not even that.
So we can see.
That's the,
Yeah, this shit's not even that bright.
that shit cold and it's good. I can sleep in this fucking
Right there?
tunnel. For sure there's bats, so if you hear some flaps.
I'm dipping, nigga.
Fool, that's all I see in your fucking eyes right
Yeah,
there.
I'm kinda scared.
It's a dead end.
No, that shit goes up.
It goes up, fool.
Dude, let's go up.
No, nigga.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey, look at, there's a little hole right there.
Oh, look. Fuck. What the fuck?
Let's go in there. Let's go in.
Hell no!
You're not down.
Dude, if someone crawls in there.
What the fuck?
Shit.
What the fuck is that?
Imagine.
Go higher?
Yeah.
It does go up there.
Oh, it does.
Let's go.
Well, like,
It's cold, bro.
It's cold, fool. You know what? Whenever it's cold, fool, there's a ghost in here, right?
Just watch every angle. When you got a flashlight, we can fuck.
that shit does go. Throw it up there.
Oh, that shit's fucking rock.
It's rock.
Oh, that shit goes.
Hey, that shit goes forward.
Wanna keep going up or what? Wanna keep going up, Richie? I'm gonna go up.
Watch out.
Hold up. Don't fucking hit me.
Wait, don't hit me.
Wait, because it's gonna bounce back. That's just gonna smack me in the head.
That was perfect as aim. It went to the smallest fucking narrow hole. Yeah, I'm gonna go higher. One's coming.
Oh, that shit go nowhere. That's so heavy as rock.
Nah, just stay.
It's all quiet though. Fool, let's go.
It's just like
Come on.
Hell no.
I'm down.
It's a one-time thing. I'm down.
Beer bottle
This
down
is
there.
the only
Dude,
time
there's
we're
beer
ever.
bottle.
There's beer bottles, nigga. Someone died.
Some niggas drink here. Bro, there's 4 of us. We can't be fucking scared.
Yeah, there's one crazy ass nigga.
Yeah, I stabbed that nigga. Bro, that nigga touches me.
Fuck.
Why is it getting colder and colder?
Because we're going higher and higher. And we're only
Just check out the fucking holes, cause
There could be something.
no, but snakes can't be here because they're hot-blooded or
Oh, look,
cold.
there's a way in here.
You're lying. Oh no, it's out right there.
Does it stop?
No, it goes in there. Look.
Oh shit, goes hella deep in there.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, it's out right here. Yeah.
Oh.
It's out right here.
No, because you could go in right there, straight, bottom.
How deep do you think this shit goes?
I know. Big ass rock just falls in the.
Fool, I feel dizzy. Fool, I can't fucking breathe good.
I think it was 6 inches.
Hell yeah, nigga, we gotta go back.
Fool, the oxygen here sucks ass.
Big ass rock just falls in the front.
That shit be dark.
Oh fuck.
That shit will be dark.
There's that animal in here.
Bro?
There's that animal right there. It's cut. I swear, fool. Get up here.
Take a
How the
picture.
fuck you get up?
Get up here, fool.
Take a picture.
Come.
Come on. I'll beat you.
What the fuck is that?
It's a fucking bottle.
Hey, bro, you got for
I mean, for real.
Legs, this nigga.
What?
Someone's coming?
Pina, come now. Pina.
Oh, that is. It's like a dead bird or some shit.
Those shit look like black legs. Look.
Somebody ate it.
Yeah.
Somebody in here.
Look at that shit.
Yeah, that shit. It's a bat.
Oh, you could keep going higher.
Is there a dead animal?
Yeah.
Smell like shit up here though. I ain't gonna lie.
It smells like shit up here.
Smell like shit up here.
Dead animal.
I'm gonna get out. I'm going down.
I'm gonna go down. Oh, what the fuck?
You smell like shit up here, fool. I don't know why.
I think it's that dead animal. Right here.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn, son. How did we get up?
Who, the bird?
How did we get up? Why you smell like shit up here, fool?
She does, huh? God damn. That bird. Fucking. I don't know what the fuck it was. Fucking eagle or some shit.
Okay, huh? Why got back down? What the fuck is that?
It's a worm. Black worm. Ringworm.
We made it out alive. No one died in there.
I know, bro. It's scary in there.
It actually felt weird in there, fool.
It did, like-
Like, fool, if you go to the top, you can't like breathe that good. It smells like shit up there. It smells like straight shit.
You feel that cold, like, hot, like, that shit's cold. You just feel weird in there.
It just felt weird. Yeah, we're going down to swim, maybe, hopefully. We're here, guys. We're just chilling, wasting time. The water's too cold to get inside, so we don't want to. Then we're just sitting over there. This is weird water. Alright, guys, we came back to the little bridge because they don't want to go swimming. Yeah, dead end. All this walking for nothing.
All this shit for nothing. Just because this nigga Gil fucking wants us to walk on the forest in the middle of the night. It's midnight right now. Shit. I'm just talking.
Edit it so we can be all dark in the dark. They're sheep. They're cheap.
Up nigga get popped. And dog, we ain't drinking on scotch. Bitch got slapped.
Hella smelly. I can smell the fucking hella.
Riding all around my room, my world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.